The search function. In this video, we will demonstrate how to search the NIHR study portfolio for a study or studies, either using a unique identifier such as a study's CPMS ID, which stands for Central Portfolio Management System, or if you don't have the CPMS ID to hand, using a search term, for example a keyword from the study title. Log into ODP at https://odp.nihr.ac.uk and select the Alt Portfolio dashboard. Select the Filters tab. Any field, filter, or list where you can see a magnifying glass can be searched. Some search fields allow you to search in just one field, for example the Subspecialties field on the Filters tab, but others allow a search across multiple fields, such as the Keyword Search field on the Data Tables tab, which searches across the title, research study, and inclusion criteria. Whether you want to search for a study using a CPMS ID or a specific search term, conducting a search is easy. Let's go through some examples. To search for a study where you have the CPMS ID, the easiest option is to head to the My Study tab and find the study using the CPMS ID or IRAS ID, which stands for Integrated Research Application System, using the CPMS ID or IRAS ID search box. Type the CPMS ID into the search box. You will notice that as you type, potential matches in both the CPMS and IRAS ID numbers start appearing. Select the relevant ID when it appears in the list. Your selection should now be visible in the Current Selections box, located in the top left-hand corner of the screen. But what happens if you don't have the CPMS ID, or exact information about a study or studies you're searching for on the portfolio? Maybe you have part of a title, or part of a subspecialty. Some of the search boxes are set up to allow keyword searches. An example of this is on the Data Tables tab. For example, if you're interested in finding out about studies for a particular disease, such as bowel disease, but you don't have exact details of any studies, you can search using the search term bowel. Enter the search term in the relevant search box, in this case in the keyword search box in the Data Tables tab. At this point, you can either press Enter, which will select all of the studies in the search and you'll see them listed in the table. Or you can actually view the titles of the studies by left-clicking on your mouse on the plus sign that appears directly under the search term you've typed in. You can see the search term highlighted yellow. To see all studies, click on your mouse where it says Keyword Search. If you want to select an individual study, click on the study you wish to see. Or if you want to select certain studies in the list, but not all, simply press and hold down on the control button on the keyboard and left-click your mouse to select the relevant studies on the list. In each case, you will see the study or studies you've selected go green in the list, and they will appear in the Current Selections box. Once you've selected the studies of interest, release the control button, and you will see the studies appear in the table. Some of ODP's data tables are also equipped with search functionality. Any column with a downward-facing arrowhead can be searched. For example, if you wanted to search for any studies with irritable bowel syndrome in the title, within the list of studies you've selected using the search term bowel, you can click on the header row of the title column. Enter the keyword you want to search. You will see as you type in the keyword, the title list narrows down. Again, you can either press Enter to select all studies in the list, or by left-clicking your mouse on a specific study title, or holding down the control button on the keyboard and left-clicking your mouse, select the relevant studies from the list. In each case, your selections will turn green in the list and will be visible in the Current Selections box. To learn how to export details of your search into a spreadsheet or copy and paste charts, please watch our video on how to copy charts and export data out of ODP. The link for this can be found in the description box below. If you have any other queries about ODP, please contact the Business Intelligence team by emailing odp@nihr.ac.uk.